viewers want a sticker pack, there's a little code word. You have to watch at the very end of the episode, alright?
Did you do it again?
Yeah.
Alright. Do a bit of a walk around, I guess.
As well.
Tell us what your intentions are.
I want to build like a nice cruiser. Something that I could just throw everything in. If I have kids, you know, load them up and off we go. So I'm thinking like LS, auto, aircon, rack and pinion, cruise control, like just all the bells and whistles, jump in it, we could drive it to South Australia, wouldn't have to stop.
So it's obviously a couple of weekends after we went and picked all this up, but we didn't film an outro that weekend, so that's why you haven't seen the episode yet. So that's what we're doing today. We'll give you a bit of a run round. So this one's Tom's HR wagon. Sorry, Jen's HR wagon.
Yeah, this one's for the missus. This is hers.
So reason why HR, Jen's mum has a lot of HRs, or a sedan and a ute. So a wagon would complete the trio.
Don't have a panel van yet. If anyone has a HR panel van.
There's one at Golden Swap Meet that you passed up on.
I didn't have that kind of money on me.
It had 4 windows and all.
Did have the diamond windows in it.
So that one's the wagon. Wind's got a real chill in it too. So
Well, it's getting close to the middle of winter. So what are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with the appropriately named
Redford van.
Redford?
Well, I actually bought a set of doors for it through the week.
So we're going on a road trip, is it?
We're going on a road trip. It's only 12 hours return for a set of doors, but anyway. External sun visor was purchased also. Bonnet and seats. My plan for this is, I don't know,
Get that little four banger going and
yeah.
strap a hairdryer probably 3 or 4 times the size of it and
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Maybe a 1J or a Barra in it. I know the Barra Bedford thing's been done, but I wouldn't mind it. I've got a Barra sitting there. Tubbed, 1510s on it, 17 4.5s in the front. Fix the rust in it. There's not much to cut
Is it
out.
Whoa. It's got rust. Where?
I don't know.
I don't see any rust.
It's all flat sheet metal.
These are ventilation holes, I thought.
Yeah, speed holes.
Yeah. Race
weight-
car things.
Weight reduction.
Keeping the wide 5 pattern on it.
I wouldn't mind to, but I don't think I will.
That'll buff
That'll
out.
pull in. Just need to self-tap it just straight through here.
Yeah.
Self-tap it back and we're good. Yeah, probably half cage. I don't know. Something with like 500 horsepower at least. It'd be cool to have 500 horsepower. The van only weighs 1,020 kilos, fully laden. So that's the plan.
Back seats?
Nah, no back seats. Got to have room for the merch, mate. It's the merch
Oh, it's the
van.
merch van. That's
Yeah.
right, I did write Backyard Builds into the side of that for us.
We're not going to get a sign written with Backyard Builds. We'll keep it a secret what it's going to be sign written with, but we have decided. Saxon did help me with that. So that's her. Probably rear clip it, full length, you know, that sort of shit. My plan is to actually build this one next year, potentially. Once the wagon's done. Just a quick throw in.
Not that wagon.
Nah, my Valiant wagon.
His wagon.
Which is on a rotisserie at the moment and getting ready to paint the bottom of it to put it back together.
There will be a little bit of footage of that come soon too.
Yeah. So transmission's been built. I was told it'd be ready at the end of this week. So engines at the stripper to go to the builder, and then we should be sweet. But plan is to probably punch this one through next year, just as a fun, quick little build.
Quick.
Nothing's quick. Saxon deserves a shout out, doesn't he?
Yeah, shout out to Saxon, mate. You did me a bloody solid.
Went and found that missing guard that you were missing.
Well, it's not the missing guard I'm missing. It's a better guard than the one I was missing. Odd. Had a very odd bog and rust patch there. I'll show you in a minute.
Let's see this colour match. Oh yeah. 2 shades different, but it's close enough.
Mate, a couple of months out of here and you wouldn't even know it was off the car.
No, exactly.
Better screw it on.
The bottom looks the right colour.
Well, that would have been the original colour. This has been sitting under a pine tree for at least 30 years, so.
Do you always carry guard bolts?
I'll have a stock of them.
What are you chasing still for this?
Still need passenger front guard and oh no, that's there. I thought I was missing that, but I'm not. So just passenger front guard if anyone's got one. What? Silver Mist Metallic, HG colour. Come on Kingswoods only apparently. So Silver Mist Metallic, please. Rough as can be.
Just not rusty.
Well, just not like this one I'm about to show you. This is the original guard off the car, but it's been munched and laden with bog. And the most bizarre spot for one of these to rust is right there. Normally they always go in the corners.
Just try that bog in.
I think they did more than trowel it in.
Anyway, this guard's for sale. Or swap for passenger side.
We'll swap for better guard. So yeah.
Alright. So this also came from the same place that wagon came from and the Bedford van.
It did.
What's the plans here, Thomas?
I grew up in a HT sedan. That's what my father owned my whole childhood. It's not going to be anything like what he had. His was a 186 Kingswood. And we have lots of fond memories in that car. But I wanted to build something that if I have kids, you know, they can grow up in. I can be the cool dad. There's no kids on the table yet, trust me. But plans for it. Probably like a small block Chev, T350 auto. I'm trying to hunt like a 9-inch for it, just to future-proof it. But I'm going to leave the exterior as it is. I was going to try and find a visor, but I kind of don't mind it without the visor actually.
Wait.
Just this car without the visor.
Okay.
It's only because I'd never find a Silver Mist Metallic visor. Unless any of our viewers have got one, please contact me. So yeah, just small block Chev, 350, 350 9-inch combo. I'm going to retrim the interior in the factory 10E, which is like the black of the door cards, which we're going to have a look at in a second. Not that one. That one looks like it's painted. So it's a factory black colour. I've still got the factory black rear seat, which is not actually too bad. But there's a company out there that makes brand new door cards and seat covers, so get a set of those. Should we check out the trunk?
Sure.
Oh no, it's good.
It's good.
I'd like to say it's a honey hole, but it's not really. I think there's
Traumatic or power glide in there.
yeah, factory 6-cylinder Traumatic from HK TG series, because the shift arm's on the driver's side, and a
2-speed glide.
2-speed glide.
Race car shit.
Yeah,
Might put that in Redford.
Well, you can have all the bell housing.
2-speed like the Redford?
Absolutely. 2 speeds, fast and faster.
Faster and oh shit, this is scary.
Yeah. As far as I'm aware, all the cases are the same, all the internals are the same.
So what do
You'll
you...
be able to beef it up.
So you're trying to gather parts, I understand, for this by December.
Oh, I'd like to, but it all depends on finances, obviously. I've got to be able to afford to live. But
Living comes second to cars.
not according to my partner. I've already got seats. I've got bucket seats for it, fixed buckets.
You've lined up a motor.
I've lined up a motor. I think I've lined up a 9-inch. They just depend on finances. I'm searching for a T350. If it's built, not built, doesn't matter. Something that's good.
Working condition would be nice.
Yeah, if I could slap it in and just like hog ass down the road without it lunching it. But
if it blows up in 6 months, it blows up in 6 months.
Yeah, that's 6 months away, but
yeah.
if I get 2 power skids out of it, who gives a shit?
So we're actually looking to do this as a bit of a 2-week Christmas build, aren't we?
Maybe. Like I said, we'll see what motor I can find. The motor I've lined up supposedly has a bit of a split or damage to one of the water jackets. So I'm actually going to suss that out today. Get some photos off to the engine builder, see what he reckons, whether it's worth trying to weld it up and re-skim the block, or if you just put a Cometic gasket on it and send it.
I reckon dart little M, mate.
Budget's not that big. Christ. Apparently Zach was going to fund the build. But yeah, we probably won't worry about interior straight away, but if we get it running and driving, that'd be cool.
Start doing some shows and stuff.
Yeah. Do you reckon we can panel beat that door out?
Yeah, just kick it from the inside now.
Size 11? No, the door cards. I don't want damaged door card.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. It's mint.
But it's green. You want black?
Yeah, it's weird. This door card has been changed. I think this door has been changed.
But it matches the rest of the car. So
It does match the rest of the car. But yeah, a few bits and pieces in there.
Alright. Well, again, if you're still here, thanks for watching.
See you next time on Backyard Builds.
So we're going to give away 2 sticker packs. This week's code word is...
I'm not going to say it, but the first 2 viewers to comment, that's what you're going to win. Free stickers.
Not the first 2, we'll pick 2.
Oh, we'll pick 2.
Everyone comment.
Oh,
You gotta like it, but
bit of a lucky dip then.
yeah.
Yeah. Like, subscribe.
And the code word
The code word is.
If you know, you know.
Got to be in it to win it.